As a general principle of law, a person is made liable for his own acts and he cannot be made liable for the acts of others. But there is one exception to this rule, and that rule I will be discussing today in this video. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to qualify judicial services examination. Today in this video, I will be talking about the concept of vicarious liability, where a person is made liable for the acts of others. Let's take an example from the civil law. If A contracts with B, in that case, if A breaches the contract, तो B सिर्फ और सिर्फ A को sue कर सकता है, वो A के अलावा किसी और को sue नहीं कर सकता है, and nobody can be made liable on behalf of A. That's the general rule. But there is an exception where if A authorizes B as his agent to contract with the third party, that is C. Now, B is an agent of A. In case B, when contracts with C and breaches that contract, in that case, C can make A liable because B जो है वो A के behalf पे काम कर रहा था. वो as agent काम कर सकता है, वो as servant भी काम कर सकता है, but provided A ने उसको authority दी थी. In that case, for all the acts which are authorized by A towards B, and if B commits any breach, in that case, even for the acts of B, A will be still made liable on the principle of vicarious liability. But is this principle also applicable in criminal law? अगर A ने murder किया है Z का, तो क्या A की जगह हम offense B या C को दे सकते हैं on the principle of vicarious liability? Let's understand. Individual offenses are offenses like murder, culpable homicide, dacoity, rape. ये सारे individual offenses हैं जो कि एक human being ही commit कर सकता है. But इसके अलावा Indian Penal Code and along with BNS also covers non-judicial person. Because when we read the definition of person that is given under these respective codes, तो हमें समझ में आता है कि जो person है वो सिर्फ natural person नहीं है. Even the artificial persons are included, like corporations and company. So the corporation and company can be made liable on behalf of the directors or the servants of the company in case they commit offenses like fraud, forgery, cheating. These are all non-individual offenses. Corporation या company कभी भी individual offense commit नहीं कर सकती है. But for these offenses, the companies, directors, or the servants can be made liable on the concept of vicarious liability. So the concept of vicarious liability is where a person is made liable for the acts of others. For more informative videos like these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is EG Law Academy by Mrs. Kritika Singh, or you can also join my WhatsApp community, the link to which I will be sharing on my Instagram page. Thank you.